Hi guys, it's Risa. How you doing? I hope you're doing well. I hope you're staying focused. I hope you're on this journey and you're motivated and you're determined and you're thinking positively, okay? Because all of that's so important. It's vital, it's key on this journey. So as you can see, I'm outside. It's sunny, it's beautiful. It's a really nice day. And I already had my lunch with my students. I work in a special ed classroom with kids with autism, kindergarten children. I don't know if you guys know that, but if you don't, I just wanted you to know that I try to sometimes, if I don't have as many students in one day, I eat my lunch when they're having lunch, and then I have the whole hour to be outside to go walking. I know, it's fantastic. So that's a little tip. If you can find or sneak in a few extra moments and get some time in to just enjoy the fresh air, even if you can't go for a long walk, but just to get out, it's so important for your mental health. Yes, so on that note, there's a means to my madness, I know. Anyways, today is a Thursday, so I don't know when you'll end up watching this, and it doesn't matter. The thing about Thursday that sometimes we talk about is that it's a throwback Thursday. And that's what I wanted to discuss around your time that you started and how things are different and how things have progressed. I read a lot of times on my Facebook group, Weight Watchers Tips and Recipes by Risa. I have to add that in. So if you guys are watching my YouTube, come on my group. It's motivational and inspirational as well. So I like to post different things and topics. And one of the topics today, and I've mentioned this before, not just today, is about our journey. That there's so many reasons why we go on this journey. And a throwback means that you're going to look at how far you've come. Even if you just started, the fact that you're on this journey means that you really care about yourself. That you're taking the time and the effort to work on you, because you, yes, you are number one. And that's how you have to think of things, that you are number one in your life and nobody else can take care of you, just you. One of the messages that I want to send to you that I've been thinking about is on my group, and just in general, in other people's groups that I read, or when I'm at my Weight Watchers meetings, I hear people talk about how slow the journey is. And I've only lost a pound, and I've only, like all the complaints, right? Like all the negative things, all the things that aren't happening right this second. Why am I only losing a pound? Why is it taking so long? Why do I gain sometimes? Why am I maintaining and I'm stuck? That's all part of the journey. So the fact is that there is no simple reasoning behind it. And what I want you guys to focus on is the fact that it takes time. There's no diet pill out there. Well, I hope you're not taking any diet pills. And to focus on the positive things, all the things now that you couldn't do before. Think about all the non-scale victories. I can walk longer. I want to walk longer. I want to be outside. I want to exercise and go upstairs. I was huffing and puffing. I couldn't fit into certain seat belts. I used to be embarrassed that, you know, if I went into somebody's car, the seatbelt wasn't long enough. I know. You know, just being able to sit down on the ground with my students, cross your legs. Things that you don't even realize that you can do now that you couldn't do before. Like go to a party and be able to buy yourself a new dress, go shopping and feel good. And even if you're not where you want to be rather, I want you to take the time in the moment to say, look at how far I've come. You know what? And reward yourself so that you still go to that party and buy yourself something new. It'll make you feel good. Being positive and thinking about the things that you can do will keep you on track, not the things that aren't happening right this second. And then you're going to look back and say, you know, I didn't go to that gym because I used to feel self-conscious and think people were looking at me and judging me and feeling so insecure about yourself and feeling like, you know, people are laughing. And really, nobody really cares. It's just inside our head because that's what rules us. It's our emotions and our feelings and our judgments about even just ourselves. And really, those people are probably thinking, you go girl, you go guy, that you are out there and you're trying. That's what they're probably really thinking. But because we don't feel good about ourselves, we think that. And now you get to go and feel good and buy those cute little outfits, right? And if you're not there yet, you will be there. I promise you. All right? You know, trying new foods, trying new fruits and vegetables and baking and cooking and different recipes that I never did before or would even think about. When I go to a supermarket and I'm looking at all the nutritional values of things now that I never looked at before and cared about. The sodium, the saturated fat, the high protein, the low carbs, the calories that make a difference to what I'm eating and what I'm buying, that is. And what I'm bringing into my house now is so different. Yes, I have stuff for my daughter and I do bring in things because everything in moderation. On my program on Weight Watchers, I mean, I don't own Weight Watchers, but I support Weight Watchers so much. It's my favorite because, you know, everything in moderation, right? So, you know, I mean, that's huge. You know, so you see all these differences, all these things that you can do now and have. Good morning, good afternoon. Just saying hi to people. Say hi to people. When you're outside, say hello. It makes you feel good and it makes them feel good. I always do. I talk to everybody. More non-scale victories that you can look at. Think about them. What are they? Think about what you couldn't do before and you can do now. You want to go on that holiday? Go and make plans. Go. You want to do things with your children now that you couldn't do before. Go skating, go swimming, get into that bathing suit. You know, go to the beach. I know, all these things that you wouldn't do before. And again, if you're not there yet, you will be soon. And again, reward yourself during this time as well. All right? What else can you do that you couldn't do before? And I'm trying to think of all the things that I couldn't do or didn't do before. My closet is full, guys. I keep shopping and buying different things. And that makes me feel good. I do different exercises. I like going on my treadmill. I never used to do a hula hoop. Are you kidding me? I used to watch people and say, oh God, I wish I could do that again. And I have an adult size one. And I have a stepper. And, you know, all these different things that I'm going to try. I went to a, what was it called? a drum fit class, and that was super cool. I went to a Zumba class. I tried that. Okay, so I have 2 left feet, and that's not my favorite thing to do, but my point is that sometimes you get out of your comfort zone and you're going to want to try new things. You're going to want to challenge yourself and form new habits and new goals all the time, right? You're shaking your head. I know you are, because you know I'm right. So don't worry if you lost only a pound. When you think of it, and you think of a big stick of butter, okay? And you feel that and how heavy that is. It's a lot of weight. I maintained for a long time, I'm gonna go back this way because it's very loud over there. You know, I would plateau, and that's okay. And sometimes if I lost a lot one week, I would either gain or stay the same the next week. And sometimes I had to shake things up a bit. But, you know, mentally, people, that plays a huge role in this journey. Huge. Did I say huge? Huge, huge, huge. You have to stay positive. You have to do things that are going to make you feel good, okay? Whatever that is. You know, go and get a manicure or a pedicure or a massage, or go to a play with your friends or to a movie. Go to a new restaurant. Why not? You know, so you don't have to wait. Haha, that's a funny word, huh? You don't have to wait for your weight to come off. Just know that you are in control and you're empowered, because you've got this. You can do this. And who cares if it takes a long time? You know, we always want everything yesterday. And that's why when I've done other diets, and I call those diets, not what I'm doing a diet, it always came back on and way faster, right? And more. And then you really feel terrible emotionally. It just brings you right down and depresses you. And then all those old behaviors surface again. And we don't want that to happen. So, Throwback Thursday. How far have you come? What is your why? Who is motivating you? Who's inspiring you? Who's supporting you? Who's helping you? Not sabotaging you? Who's your cheerleader? Think about all those things, and you will see that you can do this. It's a journey for life. Again, you know, whenever I do these talks, I'm hoping that from my experience, it helps you guys, because a light bulb had to come off for me. Yes, a light bulb. Before I was turning 50, I was about 47 when I started this. I know I look young, but you know, all these things in my family that we have, that we can inherit, like high blood pressure, it's not fun, or diabetes, that's not fun, arthritis, that's not fun, you know, and I didn't want to have to be taking all those medications. So that's another why factor for me. And everybody has their own aha moments and their own why moments as well. So that's about Throwback Thursdays. To look back, see how much you've accomplished, all the different little tiny changes that you've made to your life, to your relationships with your children and your spouse or your partner, your work relationships, things that have changed you, made you so much more confident in yourself, so much more positive. All these different plans you're making now. You know, people that hold on. Sorry about that. I was getting a phone call, and it distracted me and my train of thought. So I know I was talking about the people in your life and the support that you're going to be getting, because that's what you need. And I just wanted to also say that when you try your best, you'll be your best. Okay, you like that? You try your best, you'll be your best. And that's all you can do. There's no easy solution to this long, lifelong journey that you'll be on. And when you start and you continue to work hard and fight for what you want and believe in what you want, there's no reason you can't get what you want. So that's it. I just wanted to say that I'm proud of you for what you've accomplished so far. For those of you that are looking back for Throwback Thursday and seeing all the things that you can do now and accomplish, that's amazing. And to continue to stay positive, to fight for what you know is the best thing for your health. For those of you that are just starting out, I hope this helps you to keep you motivated and strong, and know that there's people out there like me and your family and friends, hopefully, that will be there to support you too. Okay? So remember that this takes time, and to look at all the victories that you've already achieved and that you're going to achieve to make your life better and healthier. Okay, I love you guys. Take care. Bye for now. And I'll be doing lots more videos. Stay tuned. Bye for now.